The good thing is that this one looks a little bit easier. If I do this in red and follow our model, then when I set up my equation here, I got negative 10y, I got my 50 and a minus 12x. Well, I can see that everything's in the correct location. Right here, that's in the wrong order. So I can pretty much just fix the order there without changing any signs. I'm not switching sides or anything. I'm just going to change the order. I also notice that my y is negative, so I'm going to do my cambia el mundo, or change the world, or multiply everything by negative 1. So I can change all my signs. Which leaves me now with the trying to make a 1 right there in front of the y, so it looks like I'm going to divide everything by 10. So I've got y equals 12 over 10x, so these 10's cancel, minus 5, because here I can figure out if a 10 is 5. The reason I left this here is because I need to, again, we need to practice reducing that, or lowest terms. You can see that they both divide by 2 at least, right? That gives you what? Y equals 6 over 5x minus 5. Can I reduce it any further? Well, no, that's pretty much it right there. So now we have our starting point, which is negative 5. And our slope is 6 over 5, which happens to be our change of y is positive, so that's up. Our change of x is positive, so that's to the right. We can connect our dots, our points. Something like that. And then we have the blue one here. I'm not doing blue, the second equation. Again, if I follow my model, y equals mx plus b, I have negative 5y, x minus 10. These are in the correct order. They are in the correct place, so basically just the number in front of the y. So I need to make it an invisible positive 1. So I have to divide it by the same sign, same everything, so that I can get that positive 1. Now it gives me the positive 1 right there, 1y, right? This becomes negative. I like to put the negative on top. So I know it says in the bottom negative 5, but it's the same thing as saying negative 1 over 5. And then negative becomes positive, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. In this case we have 2, that's our starting point. And our slope is negative 1 for the y, and positive 5 for the x, so that's 1 down and 5 to the right. And I can see right there is going to be my point of intersection. And connect my dots. And my point of intersection there is 5, 1. In other words, my x equals 5, my y equals 1. That's our answer.